Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when sleep option is missing on Windows 10. Now the first step is to restore default power option. To restore default power option, copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Open command prompt, so go ahead and type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Paste the command and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And after this, go ahead and restart your computer. Now still you are facing the problem, then run the Power Troubleshooter. To run the Power Troubleshooter, copy this command. Open the run box, so you can go ahead and type in run in Windows search box, or you can make a right click on start menu, then click on run, and then paste the command, and then click on OK, then click on next, and let the troubleshoot complete, and then close this box, and then restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check the sleep option. Now still you are facing the problem, then enable sleep in power option. So open control panel, so type in control in Windows search box and then open control panel. Click on hardware and sound, then click on power options. Click on choose what power buttons do, and then click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and then if sleep is unchecked, go ahead and check it. If this is already checked, you can go ahead and uncheck it and then check it once again, and then click on save changes, and then you can go ahead and restart your computer and then check the sleep option. Now the next step is to perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, go ahead and type in system configuration in Windows search box, then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services, then click on disable all, then click on apply, then click on OK, and then restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check the sleep option. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and update your graphics card driver. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So first of all, try to update the graphic driver from device manager. So open device manager, make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager, expand display adapter, and then make a right click on Intel graphic card, and then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. And once this is done, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then check the sleep option. And if you have any other graphic card, so make a right click, then click on update driver once again, and then click on search automatically for drivers, and then restart your computer and then check the sleep option. Now if that does not resolve the problem, if you have Intel graphic card, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Download Intel driver and support assistant. Click on download now. Run this exe file. And then agree to the terms, then click on install. Click on yes to allow. And once the download is complete, click on launch. And it will go ahead and scan your computer. So here you can see it's scanning the computer right now. And once the scan is complete, it will let you know which all driver need to be up to date. So here you can see Intel graphics, you can see in Windows 10 Wi-Fi driver which needs to be updated on this computer. So click on download all, and once the download is complete, you will see the install option. So click on install now, and after that restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and update your Windows 10. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check your sleep option. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get your sleep option back. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.